What's going on? Welcome back to the Bannock Industries YouTube channel. Now today I had something really exciting show up while I was at work. We got our new Limenine wrap in. So I've been super excited ever since about 1 o'clock today. We're just about 6 o'clock here now. But I got the sled in. I brought it in last night. So it's had plenty of time to warm up. Of course I got, and well, let's just have a look at the wrap now. So this is her. I got her sitting on the old grill chief here. And then I had this old plank here, so I got the wrap set up. Just comes kind of in like 3 garbage bags taped together. And then it's rolled up in their little box. So I laid this all out today. So it's had about 4 hours to flatten, which seems to be enough. And then of course everything's all just individually wrapped. Or not wrapped, but cut, I guess. And then you just peel it off. They got nice labels here on which goes where and whatever. I hope it goes good. We did teal, gray, and then black, and then of course all the logos, I got those done in white. So really happy so far for what I've seen. Now of course in the last couple videos you guys might have seen, but I did already wash this and I sprayed it down with degreaser. So I got the old goo off and I've kind of prepped it. Now of course the running boards, shit like that, they're dirty again. So we're gonna have to do that. In the box they also sent a couple stickers. Nice heavy vinyl, same as the wrap. There was one more, but I threw that on the toolbox. Brandon Sopel at Limenine, he's the guy that I worked with this on. Worked on the wrap with. So he sent out their prep kit. So it's like a degreaser, just silicone oil and wax remover. So we're going to be using this. And then they also sent some application fluid. So that'll be some of the decals, the longer ones, any of the trickier ones that need a little work. We'll be using that. And then of course they sent their nice squeegee. It's got this nice felt edge so you don't scratch anything. So that'll come in handy. So I'm going to be starting here on the right hand side. I don't know how much I'm going to get done tonight. We're going to give her the old college try here. And yeah, so I'm going to set you guys kind of up on a good time lapse so you can see what I'm up to. And then throughout I might do a little bit on just how the application fluid works, stuff like that, but we'll see how it goes. So let's start with this side panel. Now this stuff, clean surface with rubbing alcohol to remove any leftover adhesives. Wash hand, shake container, spray with prep solution. Let soak for 1 minute and wipe with a clean paper towel.
Calling me
there we go. It's just about 10 o'clock here. I just threw the last piece on, got that running board finished up. Man, does this thing look good. Just do a quick little walk around here for you guys. And I don't know how it's coming through on camera, but this is a fairly greenish teal blue. It kind of shows up, but now the running board parts, these were really tricky because these running boards have these little notches in them, so that I had to go around and cut. Really hard. It wasn't the cleanest, but you know, it's little things. Your foot's gonna be in there rubbing, so not too worried about it. Really happy with the fit and finish of this wrap. Of course, the wrap I had on here last, you know, it was a nice wrap. I'm not going to say what brand it was or anything right at the moment, but if you go onto my Instagram, you'll be able to find out what brand that one was. But yeah, I'd like to give a big thank you to Brandon Sopel over at Limenine. He was the one that helped me on this, was really patient with me, and you know, I think at the end of the day what turned out is absolutely awesome. And again, big thanks, First Choice Recreation. They helped me out a lot this year on this sled, and we still got things coming for it that you'll see later in the season. Of course, if you need our merch, SHOPBANACKINDUSTREIS.CA, head on over there. We did get all our shipping and stuff figured out, so we get a lot of free shipping. Anything, if you spend over 50 bucks, everything's free shipping. So, and of course, just walking around, giving little air bubbles that are coming back. That kind of is something that you got to do for the next few days. So I'm going to leave it today, but tomorrow I'm going to come back, go over it with the heat gun again, and that just gets all, it really allows the adhesive to stick. I don't know if you can see in there, but see, like where it's rough, it actually comes through, and that has a really good adhesion now. So just want to get this so it sticks really well. Another thing, since we have the upgrade for the 18, this the vent panel, this piece came all as one, so I had to actually remove the vent, cut out, and then reinstall this, which not hard. 6 screws, a little bit of time, but yeah, I think they killed it with this thing. Of course, for this year, I am an ambassador for Alpine Addicts. You can head on over. They got an Instagram and a website, so check them out. You'll see a lot more of their stuff coming up in videos. But there she is. Nice little light stickers with the perforations in them. Nice aggressive cut. As always, thanks for watching. If this is the first time you've tuned into our channel, big thanks for doing that. If you liked it, go down below, give us a big old thumbs up, leave a comment. Your guys' input is what makes these videos better, and if you want different things shown, just ask. I can add that, or just let you know on what I was doing. But if you haven't yet, head on over to Shop Bannock Industries. That's where you can get merchandise. We got hats, hoodies, shirts. We got jet tags. I am trying to work on a little bit new, couple new drops. So you'll be able to see that closer to the new year. But stay tuned. Of course, now we just got to wait for some more snow. And we'll be taking this thing to the mountains and going to play. Till next time, thanks for watching.